In this short video, I will show you how well this course is organized to help you make the maximum out of it. This course has several sections which have short and to the point lectures. At the end of most of these sections, you will find quizzes and assignments which will help you evaluate the knowledge that you would have gained from that section. I suggest you work on these assignments and submit them for my review as soon as you finish the section. This is a complete hands-on course and you will be installing AWS and SAM command line utilities, Eclipse or IntelliJ IDEA IDE. Visual Studio Code is optional to work with the YAML files. You can use any other text editor as well. Lastly, Postman to test our RESTful APIs when we are working with API Gateway as a trigger to our Lambdas. The software setup for all these is covered under the Tools of Trade section right at the beginning of the course. At any point, if you have any questions, you can post them under the Q&A section of the course. I suggest you check if your question is already answered as a reply to some other student's question. I also request you make it a habit to share your knowledge and answer other students' questions. It is a great way of sharing and learning. I am usually quick at responding to questions. If I miss your questions for some reason, do remind me through a personal message. You will become an expert in AWS Lambda and serverless programming by the end of this course. For that to happen, you should work on all the hands-on lectures along with me in parallel and also finish the assignments. I will be continuously updating the course by adding more topics, and also as newer versions come out, I will be upgrading the course to that as well. Now I suggest you get started and always remember I am here to help you and answer your questions.